We have a couple of different things. So one is definitely open standards. So for example, our web browser has all the standard HTML compliance that you want to have there. In the cell phone space, there's a whole bunch of different standards that people who aren't necessarily in software development realize. Things like OMA, the Open Mobile Alliance, have things for device management, which is critical for mobile operators. If you've got 1,000,000 handsets on your network and they all have email settings, if somebody calls you up with email problems, you've got to be able to figure out what their settings are, and you've got to be able to change them for the user. So there's a whole set of standards around there that we have to support that people may not realize. So we do that. But it's funny, the book that I was playing with when you came in, which was the .NET book, that to me is the coolest thing that we've got on our platform for developers right now. The excitement that you hear about people on the desktop with .NET, you can finally do that on a smartphone and a pocket PC. So stuff that you learned on the PC for your .NET development, or servers that you built for your enterprise that have web services or anything. It's so easy. It's so freaking easy to do that stuff on a smartphone now. It just blows my mind. I don't know if you made it to MDC or VS Live, but man, I mean, Ori was up on stage doing this demo, and they basically wrote code for 45 minutes during the keynote. And with all the web services and everything, he did a map point-based blogging app in 45 minutes. That, you know, you take a picture with the built-in camera, it uses the location services to figure out where you were, it uploads it with a web service to a backend. The whole blogging site's all set up and uses MapPoint to show you where you were when you took the picture. It's like 45 minutes of dev work with like no code. It's really cool. So that's the pitch.